25 more coronavirus cases in Hong Kong, with 19 of them being local infections. And the Democrat-led U.S. House of Representatives approves an additional $25 billion in funding for the U.S. Postal Service.
Good evening and welcome. The city has reported 25 new COVID-19 cases today, including 19 local infections. There are also 10 more preliminary positive cases.
Meanwhile, the Center for Health Protection apologized for failing to notify the hospital authority that a patient who has been staying in a public hospital for a month is actually a close contact of a previous case.
Attention centers around an Indonesian domestic helper. The 44-year-old suffers from leukemia and was admitted to Pamela Youth Nethersol Eastern Hospital last month. She tested negative for the coronavirus, even though she was having a fever on and off at the time.
The doctor thought that clinically patient has leukemia and low white cell, so the patient has fever was as expected. However, patient developed high fever yesterday. The doctors did the COVID-19 test against, so was found should be positive.
After investigation, the hospital authority found out her employer was in fact confirmed with COVID-19, meaning she is a close contact. But the Center for Health Protection did not tell the hospital about it.
I must apologize for the incident. He could not understand Chinese or English. At that time, she didn't tell us that she was admitted to the hospital at the time. We thought that she was at home.
Meanwhile, the 19 local cases confirmed today include a truck driver who works at the Kwai Chung container terminal. 3 workers of the Hong Chi Lei Mok Shu hostel for severely mentally disabled persons also tested positive for the virus. The care home's 50 residents and staff members have been sent to quarantine.
We understand because of the physical and mental condition of the residents, sometimes it's very difficult to ask them to wear the mask properly. That's why there's a chance of transmission in the care home.
6 imported cases reported today include a sailor and returnees from India.